Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you around the approved used Land Rover Discovery D300 R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in silicon silver. As we start our journey from the front of this vehicle, where we will find the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides will see further perfectly black contrasting features as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 22-inch diamond turned alloys with a gloss dark grey contrast. To the rear, you'll also notice your rear LED tail lights as well as your privacy glass, which will ensure all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes. And upon opening, the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space. Looking to your left, you'll see easy to access controls for your electrically deployable tow bar, which I'm sure is going to intrigue those caravan or equestrian enthusiasts out there. You'll also be able to locate 2 further seats within the rear, making this vehicle perfect for those with the larger families. You'll also be able to access electronic air suspension, ensuring easy loading in and out of this vehicle. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their Ebony Windsor leather seats and their own climate control and heated seat functions. And in the cockpit, you'll also see your 20-way heated and cooled electric driver memory front seats with your captain's armrest, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel and glancing over at your PV Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your panoramic sunroofs, which are going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Discovery D300 R-Dynamic HSE, which we now have available here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.